In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print job postings from Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. Indeed is a fantastic platform for job seekers, packed with listings from various companies across multiple industries. Sometimes, you might want to print a job posting for future reference or to discuss it with someone else. Luckily, the process is pretty straightforward. First, start by navigating to the Indeed website. You can do this on your desktop computer, laptop, or even an iPad if that's what you prefer. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here, enter the type of job you're looking for and the location. For example, if you're interested in marketing jobs in New York, type marketing in the job title section and New York in the location section. Click the search button to see the job listings that pop up. Now that you have a list of job postings, scroll through the options. When one catches your eye, go ahead and click on the job title. This will take you to a detailed job listing page where you can find all the information you need, including job responsibilities, qualifications, and application instructions. Once you're on the job listing page, the next step is to prepare it for printing. First, take a moment to read through the posting carefully and ensure this is the job you'd like to save. If you're good to go, look for the print option. Depending on your browser, this might be represented by a small printer icon, or you might find it under the browser menu. Usually, it's under File and then Print. Click on that print option. A print dialog will appear on your screen, allowing you to adjust some settings. Here, you can choose your printer, select the number of copies you want, and set other preferences like layout or color. If you want to save ink, consider printing in black and white. Before you hit that final print button, take a moment to preview how the page will look. This is crucial because you want to ensure everything from the job title to the essential details shows up clearly. Often, job postings can get a bit long, and you don't want to miss key information. After ensuring that everything looks good, click on the print button. Your printer will spring to life, and shortly, you will have a hard copy of the job posting in your hands. Now, if the job posting is too lengthy or cluttered when printed, you might want to consider another approach. Instead of printing the whole page, you could copy the main details, paste them into a Word document or any text editor, and then format it to your liking. This way, you can highlight specific sections, add notes, or even include your thoughts about the job. After you finish tweaking it, simply print that document instead. And there you go. You now know how to print job postings from Indeed for easy reference. It's a handy skill to have, especially when you're on the job hunt. Just remember to keep your printed copies organized so you can easily track which positions you've applied for or want to explore further. Thank you for watching.